Hello viewers, this is a tutorial on how to automate downvote on Reddit using Socinator. If there are Reddit posts you want to downvote, then Socinator can help you out. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your Reddit account and hit Go to Tools. It will take you to the Account Configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on Reddit through Socinator. Let's click Downvote. This is very useful as it makes it faster and easier to downvote a number of posts within a period of time while narrowing them down in the process. There are several configuration categories for downvote activity. Let's start with Search Query. As the name suggests, Search Query allows you to command the software on how to search targeted posts to downvote. There are two important sections, Query Type and Query. Query Type defines how you want to search the post. You can select the query type by clicking the drop-down button. Once you have chosen your query type, enter the query either manually by typing in this area, or you may click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file and click Open. When you're done, click the Add Queries to the List button and it will be added to the queries list over here. To show you how this works, let's test each query type. For keywords, let's type worst for example, then click Add. So this will target posts containing this keyword and downvote them. Next, we have custom URL. For this one, we need a specific Reddit post. Let's say, for example, you're not a fan of this poster and you want to downvote it. Then copy the post URL here, paste it in the query box, and click Add. So Socinator will downvote this specific Reddit post. Next, we have community URL. So you can downvote Reddit posts from a certain community or subreddit. Let's say you're not a fan of this subreddit, so copy the community URL over here, paste it in the query box, then click Add. Next, we have specific users post, where you can downvote a specific Reddit user's posts on Reddit. Let's say you want to target this user, for example. Click on Posts, then copy the URL over here. Paste it in the query box and click Add. And this will downvote this specific Reddit user's posts on Reddit. Finally, we have Socinator Publisher Campaign. This depends on the campaigns you have published using Socinator. You can view them in the Socio Publisher tab over here. Simply copy the Socinator Publisher Campaign ID of your choice and paste it in the query box over here, then click Add. So you can add several query types and queries depending on your preferences. If you want to delete a query from the list, simply click the trash bin button on the right side of the query you want to remove. Let's say you want to delete the first one, click it, and it's gone. The second configuration category is job configuration. This allows us to choose the speed at which an account should downvote posts. We have already created a few activity speed configurations which you can use, like slow, with an average daily activities of 66, medium with 150, fast with 266, or super fast with 666. Super fast is not recommended for new or real accounts. If you want to define your own speed settings, click Advanced Settings. Delay between each operation is the number of seconds between each post is downvoted. Delay between jobs is the number of minutes the software should pause after downvoting the number of posts you set in number of downvote per job. Number of downvote per job will allow you to specify the number of posts to downvote per job or per cycle. You may also specify the number of posts to downvote per hour, per day, and per week. Click this box to increase each day with a specific number until it reaches another custom number of max downvote per day. You can also create a daily schedule under day of the week when to operate. This is very useful if you want to keep downvoting posts even when you're asleep or busy doing other things. If you don't want to operate on, let's say, Monday, click the trash bin button under Monday and it's gone. You can add multiple time frames in one day. Simply click the day you want to configure, Monday for example. Provide the start and end time, let's say 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m. and click add interval and it's added. Let's add another one on the same day. Let's say 2 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click add interval. So as you can see, we can have several schedules in one day. You may save these time settings by clicking create favorite. Let's call it Reddit Downvote. Click save. We can then open it by clicking select favorite time and choosing Reddit Downvote. The last tool is post filters. This allows us to filter the posts we want to downvote on Reddit. So the first one will target sponsored posts. The second one will target locked posts. The third one will target archived posts. Next, it will target posts that are hidden. Next, it will target roadblock posts. Then, the blank posts and original content. The next one will allow you to specify the gold count in a specific range between two numbers. You may also specify the score in a specific range between two numbers. Next, you can specify the num-cross posts in a specific range between two numbers. Then, you can specify the number of votes in a specific range between two numbers as well. Finally, you can specify the number of comments the post should have. Let's say 10 to 20. When you're satisfied with all the configurations and are ready to start downvoting posts on Reddit, let's scroll up and click save. Success. After saving, let's click the status button to make it active. Now that it's active, let me show you another option in automating downvote on Reddit using Socinator. This one allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the social drop-down button and select Reddit. This will take us to the Accounts tab. Let's switch to the Voter tab and select Downvote on the left side of the app. Here we can name our campaign. Let's call it Reddit Downvote. For search query, let's select Custom URL and use the same URL from earlier. Click Add. For job configuration, let's select Slow. For post filters, let's choose 10 to 20 comments. Then finally, we have other configuration. This allows you to specify how to perform the action. So the first one, you can perform action on posts of unique user from each account in this campaign. Next, you can perform the same action from all accounts in this campaign. The third will allow you to perform the action on a unique post from all accounts in this campaign. You may also perform action from specific range between two numbers, let's say 50 to 100% of selected accounts. And finally, you can specify the delay in seconds when performing the action on a specific post. So let's say 50 to 100 seconds. When you're ready, let's click the blue button, select account or accounts. In this part, you can select multiple Reddit accounts. Since you only have one account right now, let's go with that by checking the box and click Save. After saving, let's click the red button, Create Campaign. If you want to proceed, click your account and the Save button. This will automatically bring us to the Campaigns tab, where you can see that we have successfully created our Reddit Downvote campaign. Click the Status button to pause the campaign, and the Action button over here will allow us to edit, duplicate, or delete the campaign. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.